Let's learn how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. If you've ever had this issue, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, it won't happen again. The first thing you need to do is open TikTok. When TikTok is open, click on the plus sign located at the bottom center of the screen. After clicking on it, go to the upload button, which is on the right of the recording button. Select the photos you want and click on the next button. If you don't have the option to swipe them as I do, then exit that page. The page you need to go to is the one with your profile, which opens when you click on the profile option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once your profile page is open, the next thing you need to do is click on the 3 horizontal lines. They are located in the top right corner of the screen, and clicking on them will open a menu with 4 options. From those 4 options, you need the Settings and Privacy option. Clicking on this option will open a page with many options, and to find the one you need, you will have to scroll a bit. The option you need to click on is Free Up Space. When you click on it, you will have 2 options. On this page, you need to click Clear next to both cache and downloads. After doing this, close the TikTok app. Now open the App Store. When the App Store opens, click on the search option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Type in TikTok, and it will take you to the page where TikTok is listed. If it says Open next to it, your app is up to date. If it says Update, click on that. The next thing you need to do is go to Settings. When Settings open, you will have many options. You need to click on the General option, which will open a page where you need to click on iPhone storage. On the page that opens, there will be a list of apps, and you need to click on TikTok. After clicking on TikTok, a page will open where you need to click on Offload App. Then, on the same page, click on Reinstall App. Once you've done this, you have successfully resolved the issue. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.